Welcome to my channel. Verratek DB1200 Wi-Fi extender setup. Method 1, via the WPS button. Plug the repeater into an electrical outlet next to your host router, and then wait until the 2.4G wireless and 5.8G wireless LED is on. Press the WPS button on your router. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender for 1 second. The WPS/LED should change from blinking to solid on and the repeater restarts, indicating successful. Extended network names, routers NE1 work name with _EXTL the end. Password, same as your router note, 1 if you want to change the extended network names. Refer to manage the extender on the back. Method 2, via a web browser. Find the SSID, network name, and wireless password printed on the label at the bottom of the router. Connect your smartphone to the extender's network. Launch a web browser, and enter http://192.168.0.1 in the address bar. Enter the login password admin, and click Login. Select WISP mode. Please click the button to scan EP. Select your host router's 2.4 GHz SSID or 5 GHz SSID, network name. Enter its password and then click Save. Verify your wireless settings and click OK. Connect to the extended network and enjoy internet. The extended network shares the same wireless password as that of your host network. Note, since the performance of the extended network will be affected by the distance between extender and host router, so relocate your extender. Thanks for watching.